Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the free card kit of the month video. In order for you to receive this free card kit and a small product gift sent directly to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is shop in my online store at a $50 minimum. No host code needed. But wait, there's more. Want to earn a free stamp set just for being a loyal customer? Check out the description box below. You'll find more information about this free card kit and my loyalty rewards program. And if you're watching this video to figure out how to put your kit together, I just want to say thank you for shopping with me, or thanks for being on my team. I appreciate you all so very much. This is the card kit for November of 2025. I have a piece of Traditions of Christmas Designer Series paper, size 2x4. I'm adhering it to a piece of cherry cobbler that is 2 1/4 by 4 1/4, and I put dimensionals on the back of that. I have been told that this paper is back ordered, so this might be the only way for you to get it. If you shop with me this month, I'll send you a little bit. So anyway, I'm having a basic white card base here. I'm going to put that 4 1/4 by 5, well actually it's 4 by 5 1/4 piece of basic beige on my card base. I'm going to remove the release paper of my dimensionals, and I'm going to place that on my card. I almost forgot the sentiment. The sentiment comes from a stamp set called Wishing You Joy, and it's interesting because there's 4 different sentiments: wishing you joy, sending you cheer, and Noel, and may your Christmas be bright in this stamp set. But the sentiments are written in 3 different ways: a scripty font, a whimsical font, and a classic font. It is probably the most overlooked stamp set, and I love it. So that is the card kit for November. You shop with me and I will send it to you, as well as a little gifty. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a lovely comment and I will see you in the next video. That's Friday. Paper Pumpkin Alternative. Bye for now.